Stop scrolling for a second, because if you're shopping for a smart SUV in 2026, this might be the one car that saves you money every single day you own it. The 2026 Kia Sportage isn't trying to be flashy or loud, it's trying to be clever, efficient, comfortable, and shockingly good for real-world driving. Whether you're cruising on American highways, dealing with city traffic, or thinking long-term resale, this SUV is built for people who actually use their cars. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why so many buyers are choosing Sportage over Toyota and Honda right now. Let's talk price first, because this is where the Sportage already starts winning. In the USA, the 2026 Kia Sportage starts around $28,000 for the base model, and even a well-equipped hybrid stays under $36,000. In Japan, pricing converts to roughly 4.2 to 5.2 million yen depending on trim. Across ASEAN markets like Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia, expect prices in the range of $34,000 to $42,000 equivalent. For what you're getting in tech, space, and efficiency, that's aggressive pricing, especially compared to rivals. Now fuel economy is where the Sportage really shines, and this matters more than ever with fuel prices jumping up and down. The standard gasoline model delivers around 25 miles per gallon in the city and about 32 on the highway, which is already solid for a compact SUV. But the real star is the hybrid. The Sportage Hybrid pushes close to 43 miles per gallon combined, and in city driving you'll feel the difference immediately. Less fuel stops, lower monthly costs, and if you're driving daily in traffic, the savings add up fast. Compared to older SUVs or non-hybrid competitors, many owners save hundreds of dollars per year on fuel alone. Performance is simple and easy to understand. In the city, the Sportage feels smooth, light, and easy to maneuver. Steering is comfortable, visibility is good, and acceleration is quick enough to jump into traffic without stress. On the highway, it stays calm and stable, even at higher speeds. The hybrid version especially feels responsive because the electric motor helps during overtakes. This is not a racing SUV, but for daily commuting, long road trips, and family use, it feels confident and relaxed. Maintenance cost is another big reason why Sportage makes sense. Kia has improved reliability massively over the years, and service costs remain lower than many rivals. In the USA, average yearly maintenance stays around $450 to $550, which is cheaper than many Toyota and Honda SUVs in the same class. Parts are widely available, labor is affordable, and Kia's long warranty gives peace of mind. For Asian buyers importing or owning abroad, parts availability is strong thanks to Kia's global presence. Let's talk ownership cost, because this is where smart buyers focus. Insurance for the Sportage in the USA is generally lower than sportier SUVs because it's classified as a practical family vehicle. Monthly insurance can be noticeably cheaper than something like a turbocharged Honda CR-V or higher trim Toyota RAV4. Add fuel savings, reasonable maintenance, and strong warranty coverage, and the total cost of ownership stays very competitive. Resale value is another area where Kia has stepped up. The 2026 Sportage holds value better than older generations, especially the hybrid models. While Toyota still leads slightly in resale, the gap is much smaller now. After 5 years, the Sportage retains a strong percentage of its value, making it a safer long-term investment than many people expect from a non-luxury brand. Now let's do a quick real-world comparison. Against the Toyota RAV4, the Sportage feels more modern inside and offers better value for money, especially in hybrid trims. The RAV4 has great reliability, but it's often more expensive with fewer features at the same price point. Against the Honda CR-V, the Sportage offers similar comfort and space but usually wins on fuel efficiency and warranty coverage. Honda has smooth driving dynamics, but Kia gives you more tech and longer coverage for your money. For USA roads and traffic, the Sportage is honestly a great match. It's not too big for tight city parking, yet spacious enough for road trips and family use. Ride comfort handles rough city roads well, and highway cruising feels quiet and composed. Adaptive safety systems help in traffic, lane keeping reduces fatigue, And overall it feels designed for real American driving conditions, not just showroom appeal. Interior quality also deserves mention. Materials feel solid, the infotainment system is fast and easy to use, and everything is placed where you expect it. For Asian buyers who value comfort and tech, this cabin feels premium without premium pricing. Rear seat space is generous, cargo space is practical, and long trips feel less tiring. So when you add it all up, the 2026 Kia Sportage is not about hype, it's about smart choices. Strong fuel economy, especially in hybrid form, reasonable maintenance, good resale value, affordable insurance, and performance that fits daily life perfectly. It's an SUV that quietly saves you money while giving you comfort and confidence every time you drive. If you're shopping for a compact SUV in 2026 and you want something reliable, efficient, and future-ready, the Sportage absolutely deserves a serious look. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest car reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Smart Buy breakdown. Your wallet will thank you later.